Guys, do you want to speak English but don't know what to say? You know English betterly and you know the words, the sentences, and you can understand English very easily but don't know how to speak. You can speak English so fast in your mind, but when it comes to speak in real life, you feel hesitate and you just stuck. Guys, this is the problem of many Indian because our native language is not English. We can speak Hindi so effortlessly and so easily, but when it comes to speak English, we just feel hesitate and we just stuck. So guys, there is a not permanent problem because if there is any problem, then there is many solutions for this problem. So hello guys, I am Meera and I am from Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. Guys, you know that I am in the journey of learning English and improving my communication skills in English. Now I am speaking English better than yesterday. Then I have sacrificed many things. You know guys, if you are trying to achieve your goal and you are in the journey of achieving something you want, then your aim, that means your goal, asks you many things. So first one is hard work. Hard work, that means not work from physically or anything else. You just work for that thing regularly and you just work slowly but regularly, that I want to achieve my goal, then I will have to work for it. You will have to work for your goal. If you want, for example, if you are trying to learn English and you are in the journey of learning English, then you will have to work for it. You will have to consume English content videos. You will have to learn English grammars and many things so that you can improve your English. And second thing, you will have to never lose your confidence. Guys, it is real that we can live for a week without food, but we can't live a minute without hope. So you will have to never lose your hope. Always keep in your mind that I can be a better English fluent speaker. So always try to speak whatever you know and always keep motivated to yourself. Everyone will pull your leg and everyone will try to down you, but don't worry guys. If you have patience, if you have motivation to yourself, then you will never be down. And third thing is most important thing, consistency. That means if you are in the journey of achieving something and achieving your goal and learning English or anything else, then you will just have to keep patience and work for yourself and work for your goal. You will have to work slowly but daily. For example, if I am in the journey of learning English and improving my communication skills, and today I will learn many things and I will watch many English videos, many English cartoons and many more things in English, but tomorrow I will not do anything else for myself, then it is not good. Guys, if you maintain your consistency, then success will automatically come to you. So I hope this video is so helpful for you and you learned something from this video. And if you want more videos like this, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel English with Meera. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.